to seen a field near a town I've never seen. Snow blanket is a town's old bed. Tomorrow is a year away. Now it's summer, the sky is blue. Bicycles wheel while cool wind blew. The water is calm beneath the pier. Listen and you will hear the bells in November, the middle of June. Lavender trees in the open sea. No postcards can describe. Colored lines, volume falls as you ride with the handmade white brick walls. It's a town that seems to match my dreams, but it needs you. Autumn comes, orange and red. Seems like a photo book I've read. Leaves fall from the box young tree as the sun touches the sea. Sprouts sprout left and plants grow right, as spring was the season I meant to write. The town is calm and everyone knows everyone knows everyone.